What's up, guys? Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're back again with some more iPhone 11 cases. These are by I-Blason. I will be putting a link in the description to their website in case you guys want to pre-order these cases right now. And if you do, you can go ahead and get 30% off. So go ahead and go over to their site and save a little bit of money. So here we go. I have the iPhone 11 demo right here. And then the first case we're going to look at is the Halo Black. So you got to peel off the little protective cover here. Here's just like a rubbery type case. It's got a hard plastic shell. Just go ahead and put it on the phone. And there you go. It's got that raised edge here. Close up with the buttons here, your volume rocker, your mute button, your power button, your speaker, charging port, and microphones. On the back, it's all clear, so no matter what color you get iPhone, you can show it off to everybody. I kind of like the clear cases. It's pretty nice, and give you another little look at that raised edge there. That is the Halo series Black. Feels grippy in your hand, so you don't have to worry about dropping it. So here we have the Halo Clear. Again, pull off that protective cover. This is kind of like the black, but it's the clear one. That looks pretty nice. Of course, now if you have a colored phone, you probably want to get the clear one. Very cool. Again, it's got that nice rubbery feel to it, and it's not slippery at all. Very cool. Okay, so here we have their Aries series. This is the Aries Green. This one's got like a protective shell that goes over your phone, as well as a protective cover for the screen. And then you got that rubbery outer shell. So we'll take off the protector here. And then to get this off, you have like a little notch here. Just put like a coin, or if you have your fingernail, put that in there to pry up the protective cover. Okay, so here's the top cover with the screen protector. Just kind of put it over your phone, push down. It's on the phone now. So you take the back cover, just kind of put in the bottom piece first, and then work it around the rest of your phone. Make sure it's all clipped in, and you're good to go. Okay, so this is going to offer you probably your medium to high protection. Definitely has that raised edge. Like I said, again, it has that protective cover on the screen, so you don't have to worry about things scratching it. You got your very distinctive volume rocker buttons. You have a little cover for your vibration button. And your power button over here. Bottom cover for the charging port. You have your mic and your speaker. It's got that rubbery feel to it. It's a little slick. Still feels good in your hand. That clear back. And the back also has a protective cover on it too. There you go. Okay, here we have the Aries Black. It's kind of got that metallic grayish accent to it. I really like that accent. The gray accent really looks good with the black. Then there's your back, that gray accent with the black, and then the color of your phone. Very sleek. I like that one. I think this one's my favorite. And here we have the Aries Black and Blue. That's pretty nice too. Got the blue accent. That's that metallic blue with the black. Very stylish. I like it. And the back is just like that blue. I know it's a toss-up. Which ones do you guys like? I like the gray and the blue the best. That's pretty nice. And of course I have a black phone, so if you had a blue phone, it would look even better. Okay, so now we go on to their Cosmo series, which is rather stylish and interesting. And these are kind of like the other ones. They have that protective cover on the inside, and then that rubber type on the outside. But like I said, these are really more stylish. They have a nice little pattern on the back and the gold accent on the outside. Pretty cool. Cover on your phone and then kind of push it inside the case here. Start with the bottom and work your way up. Make sure it's on there. There you go. It's got that baby blue accent to it. Again, it's got that raised edge with the screen protector on it. Your volume buttons. Your vibration button there. Got the cutouts for the bottom. And your power button. And the cutout for the camera. Very unique. This is their Cosmo series. Okay, so this one is their marble. Actually kind of looks like it's got metal inlays here. It's got that, again, it's got that rubbery feel to it. It's not slick at all. The buttons are well placed. So here is the Cosmo Amethyst. It's got that nice purple to it. And then here is the Cosmo Green. Emerald. It's really nice. So that is I-Blason's case lineup for the iPhone 11. I will be putting a link in the description again to their website in case you guys want to go ahead and pre-order these. And if you do, you get 30% off right now. They also have cases for other phones other than iPhone. So if you need, go ahead and check out that link for your phone. Really nice cases, very stylish, and these will give you some pretty good protection for your phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.